Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the phone at least power's on. You need system access. If the screen is unresponsive, use an OTG adapter and a mouse to navigate or boot to recovery/fast boot to enable ADB. Once connected, plug the USB cable into the PC and authorize the connection. Make sure drivers are installed. If on Mac, prepare QuickTime for camera input. These steps let you send commands and mirror the display. Act now to avoid later roadblocks. Next, establish the actual mirroring link so you can see and control the phone. If Android, run a DB devices to confirm, then use SCRCPY or a DB TCPIP 5555 and SCRCPY TCPIP equals IP to mirror over network. SCRCPY gives low latency control. For iPhone, connect via Lightning and open QuickTime New Movie Recording. Select the device as source. When the touchscreen is unusable, leverage OTG mouse control or issue ADB shell input commands. These let you operate the device remotely. Finally, finalize the session. Start recording or cast the mirrored window and adjust resolution or bitrate in the mirroring app for smooth playback. If the connection drops, check USB cables and reboot both devices. Once done, run a DB logcat to diagnose errors and reconnect. Make sure you revoke USB debugging and reauthorize if the PC isn't trusted. If mirroring still fails, use OTG input to re-enable debugging or try a different mirroring protocol. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves auth and driver issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.